Hello, some viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video, we are going to discuss what is the difference between inner text and inner HTML. Okay, if you can see the code, guys, you can see there is a div tag. Inside the div tag, I have a button as a technocode reads the text of that button and it ends with the div tag. And also, I have added a button, change data on click. So for that, I have created a function stating that I have to get the element ID by my p and I have to display the results by result ID. Okay. I'm using inner HTML. Now I'll show you the difference between inner text and inner HTML. As you can see, the h1 tag is there, and HTML versus inner text. As a technocoder is there. Now I have to click me. If I click me, I'll get the HTML of that element, which is as her technocode. Okay. I'll just add text instead of HTML. If I just add text, I'll copy this. I'll paste it here. Just inner text instead of inner HTML. I'll go here again. I'll reload it. If I just click on click me, I'll just get the text instead of the HTML. So that is the difference between the inner text and inner HTML. Inner text will give the text content. HTML will give the tags with the tags. Actually, it will create an element like that. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.